Hey, welcome back again, viewers and subscribers. This moment, I want to be talking to you about the plant lemongrass, fevergrass, citronella. It belongs to the plant family Poacea, also found in the grass family. And the parts used are the base, the stem, and the leaves. Right? It's scientifically called Cymbopogon citratus, and its traditional uses are in treating fever, hence its name fevergrass, common cold and cough. Also used as a bush bath and also a tonic tea and aids in digestion. Also is a skin cleanser and an insect repellent, usually under its other name citronella. And also treats yeast infection in the mouth, thrush. Also treats stomach and intestinal cramps and stomach ache, high blood pressure, headache, pain, swelling, vomiting, achy joints, rheumatism, diabetes. Treats exhaustion, used as an antiseptic and astringent, used to treat dandruff and high cholesterol. And one thing you gotta be mindful of is these edges here. Right? Actually razor sharp, just like the vetiver grass. Right? That's what I call bobbed grass. It's very sharp, so gotta be careful. Right? So parts use of the leaves. Right? These can make a very good good tea. Right? These are the base. Right down here. Tug on it a little bit there. This plant I brought home was a very small one, but ended up coming into a huge plant. So what I like to do, have my herbs and my plants around me as a herbalist. And here's another plant that I had brought home here and planted right here in my garden. Alright, so just some additional information. Cymbopogon barbed wire grass, silky heads, oily heads, conching grass, Malabar grass, citronella grass, or fever grass. So the numerous names that it has. It's a part of the grass family, a genus of Asian, African, Australian, and tropical island plants in the grass family. It's traditionally used as a pain reliever and fever reducer. Lemongrass contains citral, a natural plant compound with anti-inflammatory effects. Lemongrass extract is also used to provide a fresh scent in many soaps, candles, disinfectants, and insect repellents. Lemongrass is a key ingredient in Southeast Asian dishes, Thai and Vietnamese cuisines. Lemongrass helps soups, salads, curries, pop, adds citrusy flavor to roasted meats. Right? The leaves and oil are used to make medicine. Lemongrass is used for treating digestive tract spasms, stomach ache, high blood pressure, convulsions, epilepsy, pain, vomiting, cough, achy joints, rheumatism, fever, the common cold, and exhaustion. Also used to kill germs and as a mild astringent. Lemongrass has antibacterial and antifungal properties. And these are some benefits of lemongrass tea, which I make quite often. Right? It relieves anxiety, lowers cholesterol, preventing infection, boosting oral health, relieving pain, boosting red blood cell levels, and relieves bloating. So here we have it here, lemongrass. Yeah. Also, I was telling a fellow beekeeper the fact that lemongrass oil can help in catching swarms, right, in approaching hives, because the scent, the lemongrass oil is the same scent that the queen releases, pheromones. And that beekeeper was like, wow, I didn't know that. You know, I learned that when I did that natural beekeeping course when I was in the UK. some vital information coming out there. Yeah, so this is lemongrass. Alright, thanks again for watching.